Ever wondered how bulletproof cars work? Well, I did too, right before I realized my regular car is about as protective as a paper bag in a thunderstorm. This bad boy can stop absolutely nothing. What makes a car bulletproof? Vroom Extreme. All right, let's get serious. Bulletproof cars are like regular cars, except they've been hitting the gym. The main difference? These babies have reinforced steel, bulletproof glass, and sometimes even explosion-resistant floors. Basically, it's like wearing medieval armor, but for your car, and trust me, this is way more stylish than rolling up in a full suit of armor to Starbucks. In detail about the bulletproof glass, how does it work? This is a bulletproof glass, but don't let the name fool you. It's actually layers of polycarbonate and glass sandwiched together, microwaved real good like a Big Mac. If a Big Mac could stop bullets, apparently. It doesn't shatter like normal glass. Instead, it absorbs and spreads the force of the bullet across the surface plane. Kind of like how I absorb my emotions, but way more effective. Furthermore, we have the armored body panel. Imagine a car with bulletproof glasses, but with regular porous steel frames. Utterly useless, ain't it? These doors aren't just metal, they're reinforced with ballistic steel. If you ever get stuck in traffic, this is the car you want. Nothing's getting through. Not bullets, not explosions, not even that guy who keeps honking behind you. Unbothered, moisturized, bulletproof, thriving. What do we have here? Tires that keep going. Normal tires go flat when punctured, not these. These run flat tires. They keep going even after taking a hit. Basically, they have an inner ring that supports the car, so even if your tire is over it, your car isn't. So yeah, these are the tires you need if you're ever in a high-speed chase, or if you're just really bad at parallel parking. However, you ever wonder who uses bulletproof cars? Who needs a bulletproof car? Well, presidents, celebrities, billionaires, crypto whales, and my mom when she's late for work. But hey, if you've ever felt unsafe in traffic, maybe this is the upgrade you need. Just your average Monday morning commute. So there you have it. Bulletproof cars, stronger than your willpower at a fast food drive-thru. If you like this deep dive, hit that like button. And if you think your car needs an upgrade, well, time to start saving. Anyone got the keys? No? Guess I'm walking home. Again. Vroom Extreme.